Yama yetiefo akwaba na yenhye kasebo no ase emawa na yebomode se wobetimi a na wahia yan ewo Facebook no eso ebetimi aboa firi se enseba hodo ade bra oni nyina no ekita videos and pictures of Inogan na also watimi di monsam etimi aba ewo Facebook no eso eye DLFM 106.9 kasebo no emu enchiremu enie. And then appeals court akwa setena na atemu a free court of appeal eba etirem say minority leader awo yamrahye begani ewo adwumako enyan asiem abato mpehia so honorable Dr. Kesalato Forsen ene wopani anedi ade Richard Jakpa ene court kire say wo monfa wo hu nkodi kura afrese wo nya boni bia na ne wobra court no tenase no eya atemu afo miensa ene ntewi ati na emumiemu etre say Dr. Kesalato Forsen ene Richard Jakpa wo mo emfa wo mo enkonkodi ye beka ne say acquitted and discharged and say ambulance won sense makwakwada court wa ben say enfinhia kakra nie ye twena serani abasa ye twena se wa wianam ne nyina no ene say Godfred Eboadame attorney general etirem say 2.37 million euros ana sabrana NDC tia ba nya so no wo motabiri ye de kwoto ambulance vie ekire na chese ambulance no edeka twitwiridie ana abraga na fonti Godfred Eboadame tiresa han a causing financial loss to the state inti wopeda Dr. Kesalato Forsen sabre na wo yesoafo abedi etwe hwesi kasem eso na no ana wopani ba ko no so wo ye the third accused Richard Jakpa ehonsam de na say mati bi pa anti we no yenkomu enche na wobra kyerese court no etenase no sabre eye trial judge eye maame justice efiasewa asare botwe wodi tuga ekyeremu say wo hwe application for no case ya eye trese Dr. Kesalato Forsen ne ba ye no a trese wanyi ntumu na anyi ntumu kira anunti no court no kirem se wanye sa application no entum anunti yewura Ato Forsen won file eye defense na no ba ye no aye nsem sadan so ana Godfred Eboadame ekirem se sa defense na wopani attorney general ana se wopani eye minority leader afire no trese emu hatu wono so nyintum eno echi Richard Jakpa enso ko file bi eno so court no botugu ne nyina no ene se court no kirem se wo mo en file eye defense na afi kura so bra e botugu ye no ene na ya fredance de odi nkan na wa court testify na ya fredance de otoso mienu tese witness se de se wo no mo mount witness box e wo court wa enie na no na ene wo bra court of appeal etena samon eso no kirem a wo hwe eye atemu a yamame efiasewa asare botwede ba ye no a wonom court of appeal no womogitum wa eyeye anunte na ye kasa yi wonom abo yamame efiasewa asare botwede nsem no yabone nyina to agu aka ade a kire aye trese minority leader Dr. Kesalato Forsen ana Richard Jakpa say cases na womudie e wo court no a eye trese high court judge wasom dendenden no ene womumienu emfa womhu nkodi a when you can say no lay prosecute trust ade na nkasa kra nyina so bia nimti wo mo fa wo enkonkodi na ene wabra minority no ete say Dr. Kesalato Forsen afede court say won fa no hunkodi frisa ambulance nsensem no enyina so bia nim anampo so hwe nyina so a na trust attorney general Godfred Eboadame kitam no a se bio eno so kutuwa bi se edue ba mpaboa enu nti ene ya kasa de atemu no abawieye na mbom attorney general nense mo de ko ye ko toro trese emu ha pa se mekofo duku ana afesu Dr. Kesalato Forsen ana eya Richard Jakpa the third accused no ene ko to say wo mo emfa wo mo enkodi na obra minority no eti atemu no mo mientie Busia what did the Aquas one? And your Pentecost for so them. Anna ain't many SDF for so I saw them with that. Name of Ghana Parliament and Adania will for so them. A free say, wo ye, just say, one more leader. Dr. Kesela to Forsen, said ye, call to say. Nehuso sa abrobe. As they say, call to so one fan who could difference ambulance and send some. Sana when you for name of Nipa, both for the person send dean, and the call to so one fan who enconkodi. But on Facebook, no son of our message in the brain. DLFM 106.9, Facebook. Now, what about minority no? One more than a quail for ye, any jine. Was in a ye, Codentry. What Jalium Gumu, woman. And a majority leader. Honorable lawyer Kwamena, a friend of my case, it's them send a near Japan. Eddie, my Dr. Kesela to force say, and no wedding could him not call to say.
We have to be very consistent as a political class in our celebration of the judiciary. Mr. Speaker, I agree with the position taken by the Honorable Ocran Nhyiraba. No executive arm of government can manipulate the judiciary arm of the realm. Mr. Speaker, it must never be said, that the judiciary is under the control of the executive. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Ocran Nhyiraba is a courtroom practitioner, just as I am. You were a courtroom practitioner. One of the things that we were taught at the bar was to accept the decisions of the court. You are leading the front bench of this chamber. Let us understand that there are situations where we disagree. And even when we disagree, the language, the approach is essential. I celebrate in your victory. And you know how much it means to democracy in this country. Minority leader on trial, you've gone through the system, your belief in the judicial system. Today, on all fours, I don't take alcohol, but I can offer you a non-alcoholic wine. Mr. Speaker, I know Atu doesn't take alcohol either. No, I don't. I have serious allergies. Oh, we are not talking about other things. Mr. Speaker, I know Atu doesn't take alcohol either. Anytime we go for lunch, it is fruit juice. Mr. Speaker, if you disagree with the system, use the system to correct it. So, Dr. Forsen, congratulations. It's a hard-won victory. It is good for democracy. But I want to encourage you and your colleagues that it shouldn't be that today you've won, so the judiciary is independent.
And here ye, Honorable Alexander Kwamena, a federal markets, one and I don't Cassiana Bano, Denny, Ewa Ghanaian, Manashabegafina, watch her say. Dr. Kesela to Forsen with Trinkwa. Na binimsa wono monsa na nso na nkunim dia ba ne de wia na bro na Paul Kraka asem yefno ya de nti aya mommo bobisa eno nti emunsam eno no Kwadwo praising
hallelujah
tuaso
yanto akase bono so na nipa otoso miyanso ese emekese no na ogina mra no ze ne aka ne ndi sama ajiza manyuku na ban yetwa mu yi ekwa mo fa so kwoto ambulance awodori ba o my Ghana mekire eye health service no omu kirem se dwum ene ka no mo de ato o my Ghana so ntem ko gina mra no le sanse nsem we se amekese no ne appeal court ne de kirem so mo fa mo nko de free so mo ho so de sa brobe no ena we cha dapa ono ye report so mienso a ya de so mbode bo no wa ka se kirem se wo hwa na mo bia agofede ya bo adame a oye aban lo ya panin anamo bia otu ne ye bia wa ye na o kirem se tia mra every say ordinary asan nipa bia wonom enya bone wonem ka bi nhemu enya fumuso bia na watata wonom keke o kirem se wo hwa na mo wa agofede ya bo adame tu na nyame ne kure ni enso ni ye kure free say asem we hya se ye boba no o ka je ni se o krate anamo a rutu enya o free say utumi hu ne pefe say ye hu so de sabro be na nso no enema manyosem ti o pese watata yansa na de gu ye ni mase na nimpa reputations awodo a ya brede mfie bebre ni no ugine nyina do tusumina so na wo hye ne nti o tata yansa okase wo chim se na wo hwe decision awodo a ba mountain so na court eja atum se omo ho so de sabra be no we nyina kire se o mangana emran na ye adwuma ntemra na kasa we kire mu se na gofare abo adame atani jana na to atwe pa efri se papa we no onim guasefo pa efri se ono anim pefe se anama wotu na nya de efam na akon ema akwan so kran na we chadapa kire se wo hwe gofare abo adame atani jana na anama bia wotu no ne sese bia wo na se ayekese ne wo kire se o man Ghana temo bebre na papa we aba wane toto credo toto o de atoto to chese ne atemufon bebre na no a wono mantumi nkase free se wono ma hunu se o ma ban na ban ne senti na ban na teso de ne de ombe kana no ane womti o kirem se sa wotena se na ye ne se na mpeso bebo o man Ghana eni ma tumi akoye ne senti no de futu de ama ne se ebe ya wantena se na wanwene kwanka free se o man Ghana no enipa bi a monya mfumusuo bia danka boni fanshim no mo no mo de ne say on tata won mo free say sabani say no man Ghana kamika bia memmo no entumi moa ema enko nanim emra wo charge pa ba moden every court chief from no jemre any central for kasaye emu chire mu ni. What I see is that we have a problem at our Attorney General Ministry of Justice, the Attorney General's office. What I will entreat subsequent presidents is to really check the character of who they appoint as Attorney General of the country. Because if you want to protect our democracy and the rule of law, you must be very circumspect in who you appoint as your Attorney General, because he's #1 enforcer of the law and all ethics of the legal system. He's the leader of that. So if you appoint a crooked person, a rogue who doesn't play by the rules, and he comes and take that position, then you can be very assured that innocent people, men of integrity, all be sent to jail. You either join them, pillage and run the country down, capture the whole country, or they send you to jail. And most Ghanaians, a lot of people who are in this, other institutions, they have no choice than to join them. So you can see that almost all our institutions have been captured. They have been cowed into silence. Any awuti ye a report also miensa and the ambulance one tensa de ba wadum so mabo man Ghana dwum ene kakese no. Ne den Ede Richard Jakwa nende na wote ye no.
Yanto anwumre no siaka sebo no eso. Ye di free DLFM 106.9 e won krapumpure mantamu a. Ene oba ye Facebook no so aye demu a kire se anya asam ketua fa message. Ene wadwompo no ebre ye nene atemu na babontinti. De wo so wote ye ene wo so de opesa wo ka twobra yen. Ye bekenkan ne nyina we no atemu na bantin de obeka bia no. Enye prejudicial bia anti de opesa wo twobra na mbom ya me ho ente. Yenkwa Ghana ye mra se badwafie. Na bese emfinhia pinie ana affirmative action bill ye de koto parliament. Na ye kan affirmative action gender equity bill 2024 no a ene se emma wono mo Ghana so no ye betimi ama wo mo kwan na di bra kase akase ewo kirese wo mamu amamuo mu ye be ma kwan na ye nka emanhye saa mbra we ana ebehye aban bi a wo betima so se empokura no se aban bi betima so na se wo ye appointment ya esesa appointment no emu wo ha mo ntichemu aduana 40% no eye ema eno ana ye kan se affirmative action bill ni ye de koto parliament no ache yie pa se me ha mani kura nka efinhia aduonu de aduru na ene ana nyankopon afa kwa mu a afedie yaje atum sesese de affirmative action gender equity bill 2024 no yanyintum na nkonkwo ye mra enti afedie aban bia na wo betena so no emra we ebehya aban kro se wo bema eman so position akese ni bi na enkwa ke se eman no tembia no wo mtetale mema na chi na eba amamuo mu a eman no de ye nheda ema wo makwanya afedie emra no ababa ye emra chese enya asam ketua na ene wobra emra shibedwafo etemase no ana gender minister eyo na boda ko wani woman we movie motion no e parliament say Mr Speaker said the adere sia ye no moma ye nto aba na ye hu se wo mo apili so nie wo mo so a empili so enie wobra wo movie motion e parliament no emu semni
that the Affirmative Action Gender Equity Bill 2024 be now. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I beg to move that the Affirmative Action Gender Equity Bill 2024 be now read the third time. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, I second the motion.
Motion moved and seconded for a third reading of the bill, which is now titled Affirmative Action Act 2024. I put the question. Honourable members, those in favour of the third reading of the bill, say aye. Aye. Those against, say no. Honourable members, the ayes have it. The Affirmative Action Gender Equality Bill 2024, Bill 2024, now Affirmative Action Gender Equity Act 2024, duly read the third time and passed.
An act to provide for gender equity in the public and private sectors and for related matters.
Enti wenu ye de kwa so wo Ghana ye mra shebedwafie wo bra enne Affirmative Action Gender Equity Bill 2024 ye pass ye na enu ache no ana right honorable Aban Kingsford so mana bagben echire mu se enu ache no dodwo no wo hono mu a emra shebedwafo no be ye se de be ya eman so wo mo betimi ato wonom na wo mo nso abra botima kwa nka ne se ba amamuo ene se ye kire ya dwen e wo man ho a emunsam a speaker e kan ye enie
up at the public gallery, and it's not just today. They have been reversed throughout. It's not been easy. We need to move together. It is not a bill for just women. It's a bill for all of us. It's a bill for development. This is the first stage. We have passed the law. We have to appropriate adequate resources for the ministry to lead the implementation of the provisions that we have enacted. So we've just started. Don't let's celebrate and don't really put in place the vision that we have created for the country. But more importantly, I hope that members will commit themselves to the constitutional reforms. We need to do more there to be able to create this free and just society we are looking for, to liberate more of our women.
Eni a yati yeyi eye mrase bedwamu achiame hene right honorable Aban Kensford so mana backbend anene wade sansem we atu edwanti afedie affirmative action bill no ache yaje atum se emameyemra
yantwa kasebo no eso na egusu agiramo ewo mrase bedwam na ne ya make say domko mrase bedwam abomoden atwere krata tenten ene petition please someone go come Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice you try to can say strike so monjen krata tenten mu mio na mu hwem every say wonu man ya ntia say na ezi make say ni suma si dwa bi ekoso a MBP amanyoko etia banwasi afekuntuna ase ni suma se ebo na homoden apaw ya amanyoko na ngasa ma de kokogure mu wo man Ghana ho bambo ekonum wonu mu kirem say sa na montuo na NDC na MBP amanyoko de tuo no anya de babo efiso man ya ntia say nipa makoma akwa 11,000 NMP amanyoko yi abamode atanso mo sa wonu de koguram ewo security agencies nim dom kuma no kirem say sa na montuo ye kwaso say dia anya de babo di strike momode access sa na montuo no momode no mo hwehwem pa wanum kirem say momode na won kan kira mo say we no omo hu de hubo e mako wakrata ahudo ni nyana Ghana fo nyina hu bi ene ya mantam ni nyina obi ante zane ya security agencies ne ba momode epadwuma ye fo nti wo kondo na wo jezane o qualify ba momode so betimi apply na timi abo awo na so atuma din kunim na sa ma ne sa na mo fa kuntu ase se mo angasa MBP amanyoko ne ma a omo ye mase bedwafo we de wo ya ma 30 slot je uko mpotema MPP amanyoko ma sa no fa ko wura mo chim se tapi ahobombo nsem enya amanyosem ne senti strategy for modia mo munyi mo na so mo mo hwe mo ye pa na ntimi moa na sa na mo tu a do me kase o mase bedwam enam kuntu ase edi sa adwa no emo akra mo jemre eni sentrofo kasaye emu kiremu ni.
It's about the intended recruitment into the agencies under the Ministry of the Interior by the said ministry in a manner that is opaque, in a manner that is very secretive, and in a manner that frowns upon the constitution of the country. And the SHRAJ is the Commission for Human Rights and Administrative Justice. And as a responsible minority group, we found it necessary to petition the Commission for Human Rights and Administrative Justice after we had held a series of press conferences to decry the conduct of the Ministry of the Interior with respect to the intended recruitment. After the press conferences, we have realized that the ministry is still bent on proceeding with their secret recruitment. So, faced with these scenarios, the Minority Caucus decided to petition the Commission for Human Rights and Administrative Justice.
Eni a woti ye ayadom kuma e wo mase bedwam e na wote se o meden tensa e de ebodom kase o mase bedwam se o monam kuntu ase e page my for kwakoguram e wo ejezane Ghana Immigration Service, Ghana National Fire Service, Ghana Police Service, prisons e ke kana wote mu set tapi sana motu no e mo akra
yento akase ebo no eso na mamen kan messages ne kakra e wo Facebook no so na enu so hia keke di frika so ana ose kasebo no edemu papa pa kire sa nya sam kotoa Derek ayete nso ede aba wo so omayadwo yeda ase papa piaga edi free achem asafo ana ose kasebo no edem wo fake edi filio plan station wo so wotie news no life edi free kwame nkroma sekre yeda ase ana mamom Belinda wo so ofa ono wo fa ase me mamwadwo yeje so papa ana Richard Richmond Fletcher wo say good evening wo fa metiemo ehwemo life pa edi free eye adabraka na wodentianso ana mane mame a wo breman amano yada ase Kofi Parliament wo se dabi Ghana be yie na wotie news no live ewo Agona Bobikuma in the Central Region yento akasebo no eso yeto akasebo no so a awerehosam a efree achem asiakwa ewo epoye mantemo eye kuro ba ko a se wo firi nkran na se wo kokumase a wo betwam ewo hono a eno eda echese ekwan ne nchen awe ho se mo firi ho ba echirem se kan kwanhia bi asie nya asem kotoa ne nyina no eye kire se fuel tank bi a walodu kire se fuel efiri nkran na wodi na ni akirem ewo kumase na wabra woduru achem asi akwa no ana ye hu de ye ana kire se ne tai epaye ema olusu control eni fiferi eni kai edan ho eni kumase kwantempo no se bom ebusia ba ye Facebook no so a video no ana kire se eda so a wo hwa bie no enti we no tanker no eye 54,000 liter capacity eye tanker ana kire se eda ho no ana kire se adayaya ne tai ne hwehwe wiem na wono mu kirem se de crop nam so a car no timi dayaya sa no de wo mu entimi enkere na wabra ebo fom se bom sa no sa abra na kire se taxi driver bia wono nso wo face sa car no se won femfa benkum won femfa nifa ye ne driver gina wo se o mechanic die so a metima fa ho akọ ewi akire na kai etimi amantan beka sa atrape no a agi se bom no me pato nipa mienu ana me no kasa yi wono mo nyina hye dworo be a kire se mada ne enso no na oba ye Facebook no eso a senia wodum dadwumako no esi ede kire se water eye tender yi gu ho na so still an yedum enum no anya asem kotoa enipa mienu nam no kasa yi wono mo ato ya no e nse do a wo mo ahye adane enso no ye Facebook no so video no eda so a eye DLFM 106.9 wo se ne tanka no ne ties ehwehwe mu ana kire se ya kwanhia na ehu yie pa ana ka no so a achoke ne wonche ho no eno na kire se taxi driver no wo twi a kire se wonsi fam no onyane a wo se da bi afei eje tawie no ye twe na ntwe wa hyada ne enso no enipa ba ko a wotimi survive ye ejebre ene nsem trofo de ho enkomo emu nsem ne
yeah and say ended around 3 o'clock na opipiem obusu and wo apoye mantem ha bia ho no em say Krakumas highway isu Linda door na obia be hu na ko si say taxi driver bi onu elodi fi bunsu eko chebi de bia na ndo olodi wo bunsu a no oko oneni chebi kwan so oko na opal na door nkakra police station bi wo junction bi so for Pacific junction em na odu ho no em na odu no se tanka bi nso eba na tanka no ne omni se se tanka no nitino omde toa nechino so na petrol so ayemuma na bebe omo journey nitino boss na ebu mu ebubu ye nti ebu no nya tanka da wa so hu ya ne se ne to no abesin afa ne ho ko nti aye ne hu ya ne se eye ne to no abesi atwom tino ho nti amra ne to no besi twom na si form no soja na emrumru waka kuma highway no so na ekwa na ni kira se Linda door side ho no na we na taxi na eno so nkofo mi asati mo moba no e ma guys nkwa sa am ka kire hu wechi na am ka kire da wa se no ade na eba na eba mo so na agiro lo ko no so afa nti ebe ya ko mo break na on fa kan enko she wurim e na mi se ho no so mi se am na ka ka bi wo nti no da wa no so ntumi e na o ya se side obe suovo eye tank na eja etie to a petrol guma eroro ba obia so en control no e na so obe suovo da tank no nti aka ka no modu ho no be so fire na tank so ko mia ne she ho nti e ba sa no boys to na mo ti taxi mu no omo mia mo ni bomodin e bie phone gate ni pie fi ho omo try san ko metwe taxi da wa ne pie be na ne na unlock e o GS no side ho nti omo jan ho nti ba within 5 minutes jan to maji wo ma e ka se die papa na hye one ne car ne tanka ne ono ase na hye jobe na ne ko ba se na tanka ni tin so te ye na eno so e se o so wo da fa te bi kwan so e se akwan so ho no eno fa ho na because ono so se dia tank no ja betu ma bra nti ono so ye fa so ni tini dwane ho na taxi bi so apaka no o loadi ni pastor no won to the boom but airbag ni pie nti no anya expect wo so na mo na kia small one si bi so apaka ho and on the cowboy no so ma no de and brown that one no ko shock be anope de confirm say ono so ato na nanom won se
enti kan kwanhia baako mo hu cars dodo a asesei cars dodo abamu ene ahyenkrafo tetare wo moto saa wo se yefe bi bumper to bumper ma unia distance was da bi ebusia ba ye Facebook no so a video no eda so a kire se eni akre kumase kwan no we de obehunu nipa no a ahye ni yie pa abrantie na kire se niti kwankura pe na aka wo niti kwankura no pe Kwadwo
ma kofinfa picture bi nto so me de picture bi ma no
Kwadwo fa kofi picture nto so
what de to so a ye behunu yie pa aha hwe okwa ho we front one mo say bibi ne tua next door no ho no mo
fita no
any party o
any party na ahye sa
any party ne tua no in fact your pictures ne ye two say utimi download ni nyina na fa ba kono kan wo be se kobrane na hye ho a wahye maniti ne tua ho any pa o de ye huni ye nipa enya ne ma egu ka mu
baby asa ye baby ya bia gate no
ye bia gate no se won se wo e kire ho no mo door no anim ho pe na wo be se bibi ne tua door na no
nipa ti kwankwa
hwewe no hwe wo hwe e ba down ha front wo no be se
ne nkasa
kasa ne tua ho yi ena e kwada oda front wo kire won so back door no so hwe
nipa na to a wahye no
ni ti de tua ho yi a wahye kra atore enso sa
so na kire se wo mo antimi kra nsori Africa no mo ti seat ni so na o mahye o
so okon nipa mienu ne de esi fom na mum eka driver no na nhwemu na beda de kire se ne nan no na baby aka ne be boy ye nti na aka ne na akwahye baby agies ne wo no nti o mo twe na entumentwe ena mo suru suru se bia o mo twe de ne se bia na akwa baby de na mbebu ana se beti nti no mo suru evenze na wo hwe se de aka ne jadam na e ba na obi aso bo no nkwa ho ban
nti na so mu dwane
ya nwane o mu dwane ya just seconds pe ne ja to mu agi se boom na one de wantumi ankasa kra
o ma hia da ne dwuro be
ona e ba ni se ya emu adan ne mu so aya se tanka no boat na bebo mu na ekita ne ti no ene akire no enti empanifo na ya o mo hweso no so kwa o mo hweso ya na DLFM okolas me ne hyenka ne bi di nkoma oya tanka drabo ka asasem we bi kire me se achim wata ha ya nyame nko a nka ne de no so tifiri so o se ye kwa ba nyina ne du ba bi emu ye mre ti ese empanifo ne ka ne kwa na eba mmomodi so mabiem we hwe ka yi esiri na ate ne tiri number bi ena to no so number bi ono so kro aha na kwadi awu etiri ni so akwadi awu
se ne to no declare ne ho independent ana wasan ne tiri ho ko
okọ ne ba bi kra na ne tiri so number bi so pempempem kia ne adaka ase so okwan so no shanka na otwi taxi ne de minim se ne nkra bia de free say hwehwe ba da de kire se ohu se gyan na eba yi ya ka se osanya hwero ka ne fashion wura mba bia na se sine dwane
o se da be ne de ho
me de be fa na ka eba wei etuei obi antimo baby epe bi efa wotumi ya kukudo so de be fa o de fa ho aye dan senior ekwa ya me ya se wotumi atena se ya na o de ne nkwa di agro sa na ye be sra hyenkafo nde bia Sundays bia o ka ho nsem na du ba bia o ka office bia na kasa na ape na momo no nkwa hye ne si a esere wo mu no nya sem kuma o wa bia wo nya bone wo ka hwe nhye mu kura wei taxi driver onya hwe o na ne ba bi o zo na ahye enipa no kita tanka no otenkwam otenkwam
Kwadwo
oko
yanto aso
emu aden yanto aso na ye monwura mu e wa atomic ne kopia mu atomic a ene je se fly over no so na mo ne nya sem kuma e perifera modern ye kwan siesie ni fa na mbo modern aka kwan di sie ni setem na ne ufri eye je ne legon e betwam e de akwa ye madina no ufru aye over pass no so ba wo so wo de babi ene o mo de aka de sie ni e de bo sa dwane e kwan mienu nyina de abom kama ne aka ne sisu ne nam so se ya ne si amekese no sa babi o mo de dade ne hye ye na dwan ne si amekese no etu afri hɔ na aba Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 ɛda hɔ no ma wo ba benya bi ne wa hwehwɛ ɛna ɛyɛ mu na donko na da kwan yi mun empenifo fa kwan so da bia da na zo mo abɔ ye mfita de kunti de akɔ so mu hu yɛn na hyenkafo a mo wa Madina ɛna afi so ɛyɛ Atomic Johnson wo mu kyerem sɛ wanom so no eguje mafiri sɛ ka ne nam overpass no so obɛte ne sɛ pum sɛ ya na ɛkɔ mu kyerem sɛ tabi ayam hihia pa na ɛkɔ so no mu kyerem sɛ nansan ya dampo ka ba ko bi de kwanyantam toto ka bi to power tese ne overpass na so mu kyerem sɛ yakopon amfa via kan kwanhia si ya na kanya asem kuma kra wona mu kyerem sɛ ne V8 4x4 de nam kwan no so mu kyerem sɛ ne emuna na da hɔ na bomu kra won tahwe fi sɛ wona mu kyerem sɛ gyana na so yenti omo ntahwe ne mmomu no toto ka si ya ne ese seat ni nyina tese ne akwade sɛ dade na nipa matete so nti ebo wade sɛ kafre kadwo nipa masisi ene abatan ena fi so mo so omonyam ene tese ne o mako a wo so ba ya mo nkyade o mu sisim na sɛ ne kuro bedam o mu kyerem sɛ emu o ya ne santi o mo de ejesa ne nkra de ma Ghana mpanifo sɛ de kwana na nemu e mo mo de so betuma besiesie sante sa de wan hwe de yekoye ne mebedu baabi no na bia nkwanhia yempe ene besi Atomic overpass no mo gemre ene central for kasaye
If you don't take time, some car is at your back. The car can hit your back if you don't use the place before. So, and last time we were here, before we realized something failed. We said then we went there to check what happened. Not knowing some car got an accident. There was a private car in front of the truck driver. So the private car didn't know that place is bad, and he was on top speed. And the truck driver didn't know that the guy was going to stop all of a sudden. By the time he realized, the truck driver was trying to dodge, and the somersault when they're coming from Medina to, let's say, Legon bypass. Yeah, if you're using 4x4, you won't know that something is happening over there unless you are using these our cars. Sometimes, it's not 4x4. The shocks are not all that strong, so you feel it. The truck, you feel it. So if you go to the top right now, you see that the driver, when they are coming in, they slow down. Most of them they slow down unless you don't know.
Any awuti ye aya shenkafo wonum eye adwuma Atomic Junction overpass no so na wote say wonum edo makosem eto esentrefo enimo no
ye to agase ebo no so ana ye ko ga south kropon no emu e won kran ha ya na nikro bako no ede danchira me na wo kasa police ni bi ato driver ni bi tu a kire se enya asam koto akra na emu enchiremu eni o wo driver ni asabre etu aka no ba bia oda ano ode no ye fa no Isaac Ochre na wono wotwi saaki anketenketi ebi and registration number GE 9643-W na ne de ene se wode eye ECG nyewe bi kwama ECG substation wo oblogo wo wejane ne mpotemo na wobra wo ba no na wodru eye Denchira police station wo Gas South na no ana police fo na atobari anti wo mugina driver won pene ho asem enso age 9 na eno ana wobra community police bako ehya asese obisebisa wono driver ne questions no driver ne kirem so wodi ya no kakra ema no sene police ne peno a wose wobra wotu car na wokro no ana police ne bako a ono so ne din ade corporal Franklin Forsen ene wose ne Van Dam ane buafuo wadi tuo kire se kia na ekọ ne bucket num ene kire awurade na etu akogu driver ni ya wemu akire se enya asam kotoa na me no kase ba bia driver ni da no ahwe huye papa kire se ni enya pam na no na omuma no so no na no ano ene wini ba trauma and specialist hospital sabri waje ayasa na wobra enwemu kakra beto ga no mu kirem se police ni ene din ede corporal Franklin Forsen wo yobia kire se police ni na wodie no wode mrati mission nsem ama kire se mra bi krampo woto she ni senior officer bi so a wo papa de ni so adan a ni senior officer no a video no free say woni police woman bi anyanta da na wono ni senior police officer no a video no ama no kra ho asam eda eye police intelligence and professional standards bureau eye pips for eda wo mo ensam bapi mo ne wo mo kan ho hwe ama ne police ni wasa afetu ya driver ni a wotene ka mu wa shoot no a the police wo hunu driver ni se kotre emu nsam kakra eni wabra ni mate no ejire mo no
you free oblogo the flavor bi jama e 2 meters je we no return once ni be yima second engineer your first engineer second engineer e be yima no a ye kofie ni akoda ya mi fifie 2 weeks ni makofie once me ba me ira wo 3 months ni the bucket one no ayale ti manager no engineer no first one is man 7 and 16 on their top ti mi kofie ni na me place me do fi akwala no matra first belia amoma check me me shop e be do Denchira police station ni mu ho no awon so mu gina ti e do na ubaka bi so excavator bi so si ni nchen pe eti asewu gani first ni nyane eti ni gina ma wa check uba na wie ana ufra be check me oba check me u check me am yese mi mu gunu u hwa ka mu ni pa eti mu ana oba nchen o ye mi yese mi mu na se mi na o ala mi gina no mi gina na o se mi se u ko me papers na mi si you ana o de ko ka na papers u hwe ni na wie na asa be gina me nchen se me ka na light no ano de na mi so me ko fa ka no ta na tie ana de so asa mi tini nya wo hwe me ya hu bibi na dumu a aka kwanti bisadi a e ko maintain te de ye be ya fa ho di wono me sa ye se mi mu bibi ana o sa je mi na na me se sen in ta ti ye na mi so ye ni mi si before na ya duma ti ye no ka me ka ta no ko so ti a ye se
say mini and bibi no e di me ka sa no na bi me move ka no ta me ko send them no awie e ko nti do check me na me ne ka sa me vita tu ti me ma change first year second year me ka change year no ha fe me ti se tu akasa e tu na for history mo pie na dan e ti da 3 seconds ana makwala ne say masa gina ne tu na ka me ele mi gina twe ampa mi peja afa na mi hu dia me ye
hey Eurade Papa Prosi wo ba your Facebook no so we no your funny videos and pictures of Ino gang enuti asremo da IGP police ne no ni din the Corporal Franklin forcing wodi police no wo hu ni pasan krantie ye dina we so age aboafo nkrato ni ato akase bo no so makwantu ohunsam eye medadwen nanso meyensam tro ne nti menya adaje ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonom nti ende metimi ba menya abre ne adaje ekenkan ye eye investigations about womo ana mehu se wo apply for visa assistance a emfeli efri se wonom ewo track records madansi die nie mamini nkyerɛw Sunday Sam's consult edi Britia webi ebeje wo visa amount se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, na afa kura de Serbia, any Greece nso abeka ho a work permit etechiri. Ma menkyere wo mo echiri kwan. Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier, Asofan, our Ben Wise Park Hotel, ewo Asofan New Station honomo a. Frɛ number 0244 291546. Email address nso samuelowusu626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti, we connect dreams with opportunities. Emanenye wadwendwen, frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse media.
Hey, ano kwase fix my ride adwumayekoi ama omanfo ebopre mine etwetanga egu yeso okrom ha papa se eja Ghana ha wo mu ne abenfo a wo mu sisi accident cars man ye se car ya manufacture na neyi a wo mu bomode eye engine tuning, overhauling, body works, oven spraying, air condition service, upholstery, electrical works, automatic gearbox repairs, maintenance na general car servicing bia se wo car dada anase asay na pese wo ton frɛ wo beto e dia ma osesia wo mo torin car beto car ma free so your customer dia and as all the accident car ba on be ma car fofo se etwi enu so free she fix my ride limited e chi kwan wo Accra Academy School no enchemu ho Odoko police quarters kwan no so Atiko Junction Goyo fuel station no echi Kaneshi Odoko highway one crime fresh 0303 944 880 0202 227 660 0540 556020 and our website www.fixmyrideghana.com. Fix My Ride, own the finishing.
DLFM 106.9.
Abusia enanyume mayan samawa drone samawa kwa bamfamra DL 106.9 FM kasa fidie so ena brother enyumre no nsia kase bo emre redu se yesinkunya na gudie mu nsem papa no abusia yede ba ne yede besomo Ghana de wa ena microphone close to the latest any exclusives no ena ya baba ni nyina no abusia enanyumre yede eba besomo mia media gudie mu nsem na eba no edia meje so no ayensu ano de share Apaka GH the Blessed King in 10 times so ayen sha asem fon fi yendie mu dia Paris Olympic Games 2024 eguso ekoso ewo my your friend France na ene na Ghana brand your friend Harry Stacy wo swimming no no otumi eko swimming na mo nyama nkoye amfa ma no ama ni di 7th na wakasa ochema or say or you grateful for support Ghana for any nebusia edi a support no or say na enye easy de ne momo no performance ya order na di no enye performance na opesenka ohu no na order na di no.
It's your first Olympics. I mean, what lessons are you picking? Yeah, there's been just learning experience after learning experience. Definitely, building blocks for the future. Hoping to come back for the next Olympics, and I've learned a lot already. But I mean, just the crowd was amazing. Just seeing my family in the crowd as well, seeing the Ghana people coming to support me. I heard them all cheering, so I'm really grateful for the support. As for my
Harry Stacy and Abusia Martin and Ghana Harry Stacy at one in Samson Yebisan where your first Olympic Games are waba na enyaman koye amfama o then western the film no siampa where the first Olympic game na a learning experience at the emano on to mean say next 4 years obesa baba kibiem essence wasua enyama already.
It's your first Olympics. I mean, what lessons are you picking it? Yeah, there's been just learning experience after learning experience. Definitely, building blocks for the future. Hoping to come back for the next Olympics, and I've learned a lot already.
Harry Stacy, a Ghanaian swimmer, and a busia, what tenant kind of one national issues, no, Nancy Albekaya, ever to Toga Echema, former Kumasi Santikotko player, Kum CEO, your friend Opokunti Eddie Akotuga, said Nientia Ghana N2G Afcon NSA, former players Nekuomo, Aji Afcon Eddie Amomano, Yanshomuye, Inti Oma Kesi Blasters, no Sebe, Oma can no mean some Eddie Ato Blasters and so, Enti N2G Afcon, na Opokunti Echemo se Dabi, one canesa, say former players no, Adome Air Blasters, Nemo Nyoka say, and then former players Nekuomo, Rini Afcon Edema Ghana no, Yen Wana Muye Inti Amande or Donne Pashina, say in day players ready Bobo Edema Ghana no, anyway.
I don't think I can say no me. Now you see that word say no me. What I said is in this world, even in the Bible, if we be a human man, no one Tianeka, no suffering a man, and make 18 super.
Lord Opokunti and a waten in Ghana, Lord Opokunti at one in some so, and all the two just a sena in the no former place na, Ekuomo, Ajibi Diama Ghana no, in the Abasubodi so when a young farmer no, a bedu baby players if Ghana, Equamonone, and the Oma ya warm woman on say Ghana Equasom bebo and Famaya, Omumba, a son so me so mo body mamma nonina, Yabe Wahom, Yabe Jom, so na Ghana dear, O Bana Obeku, Dachi. Crampo, Abasubodi as on young farmer.
Time will come, Lacolabia, free Alconquano, Ocupre, Mamanoa. That's he has to choose in between Ghana and Babiona, and there, Oba prefers Obama, country, no dancer, motherland, Oba Kuno, and Emma dance here. Yeah, a boy years back, 70s, maybe 60s, 70s coming in, and that sacrifice no super.
Lord Opokunti legend Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko ena ebusia watenen kano na Samates 1996 energy afi Ghana Premier League no EDC eyo musreso omo kwa Africa akobo CAF Champions League no na abetodwa se ende no omo kobo mo CAF Champions League prelims games no ewo Accra Sports Stadium na Dr. Richard Dua Insenchire ena president Edema Samates 1996 na ene was Samra Boy no ne onwani radio station friend Green Gold no ena oni omo twetwen komo ena yebisan se adenti na Samates ebom games no ewo Accra no se according to CAF no Ghana the only stadium a yebetumi abo African games also no Kumasi ni Accra na mo no mo hwe ya no mo twusu Accra o se Samra Boy for no mamu bumfu esanse more supporters won crying
the kind of best what for nyina ne omo mo hwe nyina o Facebook and teacher for nyina say media na me wish nka Samra Boy for be who African football but that bro I'm say guided by regulations according to CAF regulations Ghana nyina these are the only two stadiums that you beat me about a match.
Dr. Richard Dua Insenchire president Edema Samates na watenenka na otwane kasa so no yebisanse doc endeno abranti efeni yimano okeyeke we fi Samates and the ordinary achemo Siginda Blasters ewa Tanzania na yatete so onemo ewa contract cheche mu nsam te say no say abranti no still now no oni Samates wo contract ochina ena ne contract ne bebe wie enti omonto no nji skebia mfi team bia we na kwan ofa so ekodwane Siginda Blasters a wantumi anje permission amfa fi Samates wo no omodi ni eso omo ye ne mra kwa so no omodi bibia tutuye omo twen say legally no outcome no beba.
As I'm talking to you on my personal records KK is still my player.
So that's your player?
Exactly. Asat Mineokasa and Navy. Okay. He's still my player until the dawn of 31st July tomorrow that officially he ceases to be my player. But
Dr. Richard Dua Insenchire kwakwamu no ena ye bisa se nanse ana wasign abrante a ye fane Kofi Agbasima edono efi Heart of Folk na abrante adenti na wasign no ena se coach Nurudin Amadu ena recommend abrante no se openo initially no omone Kofi Agbasima twetwen komo no na nkopeso di nani chemu Ethiopia no kosi akan na mo omu push edu baby no ena abrante sesa na adwen a wadwene Samates
coach recommendations, but semi-amateur recruitment and it takes a longer time. On one case, I Ethiopia in himself foreign deal at the Akko. Okay. Until starting negotiations, now on Fanajin.
Dr. Richard Dia Insenchue and president Edema Samates 1996 and a Samates group of companies no ono so and a oye penipa odano and a watenen kano Kobe Jones and a Kasa Edema Heart of Folk omo NCC no or Chewasi coach Abubakar Wata oye in charge a ono aye the recruitment enti supporters no munyane mujidie na mon support no sinanse ade abakwa Heart of Folk eye coaches apempam Amwahas intisese die omu hia consistency omu technical department.
He's in charge. He is doing recruitment, so we have to have faith in and support him. I think we've been a victim of fucking coaches and mostly it's not help us. So I think consistency will continue to be.
Kobe Jones ekasa the man Heart of Folk NCC no and I want to David Okru assistant coach Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko na Kotoko ashomu preseason ase after so much has Democracy Cup ejiwie no on breaky boys na momo no o masaba back na David Okru echema obom na nteni nyina so for President Cup na omogie no oma kwaba oma start preseason na ne okacho nse nyame admo china coach Dr. Prosper Natogum after the surgery no ne waton physically no or you fit ochina obeba back.
We're all proud of you. What you put out there was excellent. Okay, welcome back. We are starting the preseason today. Doc is not around. He will be with us on Wednesday. We need to go for some review.
David Okru assistant coach Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko ana ebusia watenenka no yamfa fie semni nsini yamfa yeni nchemu ewo amano na area yan shase mfanfi Germany na bobo ko efe ne Bayer 04 Leverkusen no makache Granit Xhaka esina kan Edema na no bo Edema Arsenal ana ofi Arsenal ko Bayer 04 Leverkusen na odioma kwaji league unbeaten na osin crofo kikasa an o move from Arsenal ko Bayer 04 Leverkusen no a step back in the career osi dabi rather no 2 steps forward ewo ne career mo na last season mo boy Edge league no unbeaten no this season eba be kom no so mutumi performing more than that we any sawa Granit Xhaka edi atudwa na season we na branch FN Mohamed Enani Egyptian midfielder on a bobo ko FN Arsenal party ways na me no ka se we rewo ewo maya ye FN United Arab Emirates akwa sign contract edi amabobo ko a ye FN Al Jazeera as a free agent eno Mohamed Enani ye de no nsam edi emao na Victor Osimhen report eba se obeba no abebo loan boboku a ye friend Chelsea ebinum so obeko PSG okwakobo loan ni ade esanse sika Napoli no ewosoro eno na ni agent ye friend Roberto Calenda ochemo asesa ansam na nam wonten se Victor Osimhen ebefi Napoli akọ team bi on loan o se enya no creda fake news into otia botu baby na anopa no ena medebetu anim se Julian Alvarez Man City omo player we ochema or say obo Olympic games no edema Argentina we are consider the future say important games no onyabi more ye de net na bench and Pep Guardiola say say odin the future on we are o meka nche Man City ni akwakosi na no and branch for Julian Alvarez aba monti so sansen 79 na monti Pep Guardiola kanom owu boni bia ewom no de ni o kan say obedri the future on after the season no na when decision o take care ebebo anemom no or feel comfortable Man City na Man City a great team we enen sama Julian Alvarez area tudwa ebusia yedi ama agudie mu nsama ye bobo no edebesum wakase boy so ebusia yemfansi mia media agudie mu nsama no ede ebrodi amje so no ya yensu ano de hye apakanjich the blizzard kebusia de agudie mu nsama na asi
yento aso mfiri ha na ye ne Ghana fo ni nkomo ebusia ebra so se wo so betimi afre na sofa na yenso sofa no wode wadwenkyerɛ timi abra yan ensem ne nyina no ene se ene court of appeal e de atemu aba akyerem se Dr. Keselato Forsen ene the third accused Richard Jakpa womu nifo ewo ambulance case no monti court to say womu mienu mfa womu nkonkodi o tom ni abre okrom ha 0534 050199 0534 050199 and 0593 406565. Good evening.
Good evening.
Me pacha we did this off my friend.
Papa pacha papa dey ni o kema 79.
Papa ma mintie we.
Papa you be me kiao so tie boy na. E be yasi. I get the problem some that as well. Appeal court no omotua no kwe wa to mu sa to for e boni dia. No mum I am part na mo pan no mo bi ka to for. You know what they mean na maka no say. Obi dey ka no la. No for na no. O bi so. O bi na. I am sure one so.
Me da say papa online no mo nye but I think say your point is well made. Yeah da say good evening.
Good evening.
Me wa fast be ni.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey. Manya tete.
Hey, when I do that.
Boy.
You just a number more far.
Oh, dear, oh, dear, dear, won't take crown. Who come soon? I can't crown what to be that. Jane, baby, I'm about there.
That is when I can say you. That's it. That is what I say. You see, this can be theater.
As nice a Druby and Cadem.
A Druby and Cadem.
More, yeah, that's a papa. Why? Shake leg, Nana. Major so papa, yeah, say good evening.
Hello, Papa.
Within the self and me friend.
That's a great creative.
Every equiapem patron you.
We move you on the my palm, you're right.
Amen.
One for one right. One for video can I know one.
Meda say papa, good evening.
Good evening, boss. Na pum today.
Nyamia dum na so
Yankopon not dum.
Bodi tire me.
Your friend me Oche. This is a honorable case ne amayo. Ne person so Aguna West. Oche Agura Nkum.
Maminti on fi Agura Nkum.
Yo. Na dia me person me kan say. Aye ti de dia na oman mu e ya reho. Wofa. Intini o tire pana. Obi ne body bi be fa me nsase me wode me call court ya. Wode me den. Intini ya ajeje funu wa na wutum ni kwa won na ti bia. Aba. Oh, na e be ko sisa wofa ya reho. Medas.
Men so medas papa good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Wodi ni baby afre me free.
I am from Benji, make us up it and my 7.
Maminti o Benji.
Yeah, the Yamiati and then saw the Ache. And Americano, and America of our Yemi, Miss Row.
Me pato, on can hear mammy you with ya.
Mr. Andra.
Me pato, man, yo, what can I may wo?
Say, mechanism.
And no one son Rebecca, man, pato, when you ask him Biaka. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Would you baby afre me free?
Of a young man,
I'm a
taxi driver.
Why, my mean you?
I am a nigga, that then again, a penny be there when I'm yakin. So, Katasuma was to say, I don't know, man, because they are Butiana. You also say, you're being I don't wait here. Now, go for her. Bye bye.
Made us say, we are my last caller. Good evening.
Good evening, Over.
Would you baby afre me free?
Over, say 49 back up. I'm answering me.
My mean you, I'm answering.
Over. My name is Sebi. Brana Akwadano. We name Bobby and your friend one chilia.
Minim.
Wafanani one chini. You want chini and penny for no mabo. We simple one chini. Ubia nye biedi. Eko kawai. Enko kubia. Because you're so coffee funenia. Ubehu and Samai. And in Samai, no boom pursue Mubehu. But for my boy, Cindy, Yenya Ghana. The Ghana ya or Mutinubi. Ya or Mutinubi. Nana say, or Mukuta diplomatic passport, and only idea a happy.
eno eni ade ha adwene nti
Meda se papa ebusia ye ntimi mfa afrefo no ebiem aha na brebe ma ekwan na ye de asie Kofitela de ko Facebook no so ma onye bi hwe nya bi kire wa adwen ye da mo ase papa opoku active Emmanuel DJ active ana o se news ni dem o na mu accident ne de Nyankopon mo Ghana fo ho ban ana George Payola Pinto de Ganes wono so de ba na o se news ni dem power Shaiman ana Frames House ana o se God why enti ka se bon ye de besi akenkanfo mienu medin e de gangster katia meeting kura Okogyeabour Ocran mene
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B
yada mo nyina se ama mo nyina adwo yeso so a awoso is happiness
DL News.